Why settle for ordinary when you can have the best? Hi everyone, I'm Ashley, your dream holidays expert, and today it's my pleasure to tell you about Sun Life's Sugar Beach Resort in Mauritius. This beautiful resort was recently named the leading beach resort in Mauritius at the World Travel Awards. Let's have a look at the top reasons to book this popular, award-winning resort. Sugar Beach has 238 elegant rooms and suites, each one with its own private balcony overlooking the Indian Ocean or the lush green gardens, with views that will take you far, far away from everyday hustle and bustle of life. At Sugar Beach, there's something for everyone, with plenty of free water sports and activities for the whole family to enjoy. From snorkeling and kayaking to windsurfing and glass-bottom boat rides, Sugar Beach has it all. There are also 5 tennis courts, 2 gorgeous swimming pools, table tennis, soccer games, beach volley, and much more. There are multiple restaurants and bars to choose from, offering delicious dishes and a wide variety of cuisine to suit every taste. Why not start with sundowners at international brand Buddha Bar, followed by dinner at Le Patio? And for the foodies, I highly recommend visiting South African celebrity chef Ruben Riffel's restaurant, Mare Mare, which is located on the beach just steps away from the ocean. You can enjoy beach barbecue, fine dining with the freshest of ingredients, and you can even try meals like this or this. And for a touch of relaxation, there's a beautiful spa offering a wide range of pampering treatments for guests to enjoy. There's even a fully equipped gym and fitness center. And let's not forget about the Kids Club, open daily for free for kids from 2 to 11 years, with a wide range of fun activities and adventure for the little ones to enjoy. A huge selling point of Sugar Beach is its location on a beautiful, long 1.5 kilometer stretch of beach line, perfect for fun in the sun. There are loads of activities and water sports for the whole family to enjoy, with lots of variety and choice. And remember, your main selling point for booking Sugar Beach Mauritius is its location right next door to beautiful Sun Life's La Pirogue Resort along the same stretch of coastline. Now, the facilities at both resorts are interchangeable, and this means that guests staying at either resort can enjoy the facilities at both resorts. Because why book one resort when you can book 2? And for anyone looking for the perfect venue for their next meeting, incentive, conference, or event, Sugar Beach has some ideal options, with conference rooms that can comfortably hold up to 350 guests indoors and outside spaces that can hold up to 1,500 guests. Let the dedicated team at Sugar Beach add some tropical luxury to your next event. Special thanks to all of the travel agents who we work closely together with to promote the beautiful Sun Life resorts in Mauritius. You are truly appreciated. And if you happen to be a traveler looking for your next dream holiday, I suggest you speak to your travel agent for more information and updates. Your travel agent will be able to guide you through all the latest preferential rates and value adds. Well, friends, that's all from me today. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, life's better at the beach.